morning, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. My name is Sonia for those of you that are new, and today is so early in the morning. We are off to Cornwall to go camping. Ashley gave me the wrong mug, Mr. Right instead of Mrs. Always Right. Anyways, we're going to Cornwall, we're going camping for the next 2 nights. I'm tired. It's way too early for this. Right, I think we're ready. Car's loaded. Camping stuff's in the car already. In the car. Are we ready for this?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we just made it onto our first stop. We're at a diner. We're gonna have some food and some coffee. Yum. We just made it to the campsite and it's really cool. They have like these little teepees. If only we were staying in one of them. We're not. Ashley's just unloading the car, so I was desperate for the loo, so I left him to it and I've gone the wrong way. Now I'm gonna meet him and we're gonna build our tent. And I've never built a tent before, so that's going to be very interesting. I have no idea what we're going to do. Yeah, yeah.
So this set, that has to go over here.
Is that the entrance?
Yeah, this is the entrance.
That is the entrance.
Moving away.
That's it, done.
Basically.
Do we look like we know what we're doing? Because we have no clue.
You have no clue.
Okay, I have no clue.
Sonia's enjoying herself.
I'm inflating the bed. The mattress. We made it, guys! Hi guys, we got some coffee and we got some pizza, which you just saw. Just really exciting. So yay!
This is between two people.
Oh no! You fell, guys, you fell.
I'm not going to find this now.
Who's that?
It's Droney McDroneface. He has little shark eyes.
Do it, fly now. Cool, look at that. Look
I
at
like
his
that.
eyes.
There's little,
Cute.
little shark eyes.
We need to go somewhere where there are no kids or something.
Yeah.
Yeah? No.
Fly at them.
No, Tori. It's just
I second that.
so cute.
Check that out. That's Ollie, and there's the Mavic.
Oh no.
Does it have a name? Does the Mavic have a name?
It's Droney McDroneface.
Don't leave it in the rain.
So guys, this is the current situation. We're at our friend's tent. There's Ollie, there's Tori somewhere. Yeah, and there's Ash. And there's
He's
me.
like, I've had alcohol.
I've got a
I'm gonna wait.
blanket on me. We've got Coca-Cola. We're chilling.
Rockets.
We've got, yeah, they're not going up yet
We've got
though.
rockets and drones.
Rockets and drones. We're going to
should
do
make a
some
song.
drone
Rockets and drones. We've
footage.
got no lasers.
We've got no lasers. Why would we
Laser
want?
time.
Why would
Laser
we?
shark.
Why would we want lasers? Like
Next
laser
time.
tag,
Next time.
laser
Yeah.
quest. There's a fire going, kind of. But check out that view.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's insane.
You know,
Tori and her
There's actually
marshmallows
counting
catching on fire.
counting.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Oh my god, that is so amazing.
Eating the marshmallow.
What do you think, Ash?
Sort of thing.
The stick just adds to the flavour.
Yeah. Real rustic.
A little bit of forest dirt. What would be better? Spice from marshmallows.
We can now we can keep this. We could keep this going all night.
If some.